Welcome on Let's Study channel. Today we are going to learn a book review, Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan from Standard 10th. Warming up. For chit chat, form groups of 3 to 4 and share the following with your groups. Here some points relating to a book review are given. First point, your favorite book. Choose any one book that you liked most. Second point, type of book. Books can be divided into various groups according to its information, composition, type of writing, etc. For example, short stories, कथा संग्रह, biography, चरित्र, autobiography, आत्मचरित्र, horror, रहस्य कथा, adventure, साहस कथा, science fiction, विज्ञान कथा, historical, ऐतिहासिक, travelogue, प्रवास वर्णन, पोएट्री कलेक्शन, काव्य संग्रह, कॉमिक, विनोदी, फॅन्टसी, काल्पनिक, क्लासिक, अभिजात, प्ले, नाट्य, ट्रेजेडी, शोकांतिका, रिलीजियस, धार्मिक, एपिक, महाकाव्य, etc. Author or writer. Find out the name of the writer. You can also tell the publication or the date of publication. Main character. Find out hero or heroine of the story. Mention some of his or her values. You can add some more but important characters of the story. Background. For background, mention time and place. For time, you can mention the season, morning, dawn, dusk, night, year, etc. And for place, mention nation, city, area or spot. Problem or dilemma. Mention the problem of the main character. Any special message. Try to understand the view of the writer and find out the moral or message he or she wants to give the readers. In writing skill, question may be asked on the review of a book, a play or a movie for 5 marks. So whenever you read any book, keep in mind above points. परीक्षेला बुक रिव्ह्यू 5 मार्काचा प्रश्न विचारला जातो. त्यासाठी हे मुद्दे लक्षात ठेवा. Rating. What is rating? You have recently read a short story, novel, drama, science or fiction or ghost story. Write in short 3 of its strong points that made you like the book and 2 or 3 drawbacks it has. Sometimes we give feedback of any program, product or app. At that time, we use stars to show the level of our liking. What it shows. 1 star shows that it is of poor quality. म्हणजे फारसे चांगले नाही. 2 stars show that it is of average quality. 3 stars show that it is good. 4 stars show that it is very good. And 5 stars show that it is excellent. For this rating, find out strengths and weaknesses of the book or a product or an app. Let's see some strengths and weaknesses. Strengths and weaknesses. See some strengths. Realistic म्हणजे वास्तववादी. Encouraging स्फूर्तिदायक. Use of linguistic features भाषा सौंदर्याचा वापर. Affordable price माफक किंमत. Weaknesses too lengthy लांबलचक. Boring कंटाळवाणी. Expensive महाग. You can add your own points. Now we will see determiners. Determiners are words that modify a noun or noun phrase and occur before them in a sentence. Determiners provide a context to the noun they precede. Determiners नामाच्या अगोदर येऊन नाउन किंवा नाउन फ्रेजचा संदर्भ देतात. Determiners may be articles, demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, or numerals. Articles are a and the. Demonstratives are these, that, these, those, which, etc. Possessives are my, your, our, their, his, her, my friends, her mothers, etc. Quantifiers are few, many, much, more, every, each, some, etc. Numerals are 1, 4, 100, first, fourth, 100th, etc. We'll see some examples and find out the determiners from the sentences given. Underline only determiners in the following sentences. My brother bought a few magazines. Here the determiner is my and a few. What is your friend's name? Here determiner is your. Which writer was also the president of our country? In this sentence, determiners are the, our. These are some toys. Here the determiners are these, some. These toys are new. In this sentence, determiner is these. That doctor is an expert dentist and he has many patients. In this sentence, determiners are that and many. In first sentence, my is possessive, a few is quantifier. In second sentence, your is a possessive. In third sentence, the is article and our is possessive. In fourth sentence, these is demonstrative, some is quantifier. In fifth sentence, these is demonstrative. In sixth sentence, that is demonstrative, an is article and many is quantifier. I think you understand the use of determiners and you can find out the determiner from the sentence. Now, a book review. Now we will see the example of a book review. You learnt the story of the boy who broke the bank. We will see the review of that story. See, your favorite book. My favorite story is The Boy Who Broke the Bank, is taken from the book Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. Type of book, it's a novel. Author, the book from which this story is taken has got Sahitya Academy Award in 1992. Main character, Nathu is the main character of this story. He is grumbling for not getting his payment on time. Another important character is Sitaram, Nathu's friend. Background of this story is the Pipalnagar Bank owned by Seth Govindram. Problem, Nathu the sweeper boy is not getting his payment though it is 20th of the month is the problem of this story. This news spread in the Pipalnagar and people thought that the Pipalnagar Bank is about to collapse. Any special message? Each story gives some special message. Don't trust on every heard news. Examine it by proper authority and then decide what to do. Because due to violence, at last who suffers is the common man. This type of false news are called as rumors. I think you understand the book review very well. Thank you for watching the video.